Hello everyone, welcome to another special episode of CG Innovate. Today we have two very special guests with us who have been working in the domain of social welfare actively. Uh, so today we have Shreyas Kumar and Pradeep Pillai with us. They have they are part of a very active foundation, that is Global Empathy Foundation, which has been very active in promoting variety of social causes, right from education of contract laborers to addressing malnourishment among children, to helping especially abled people achieve their dreams. They have been doing it all. So I would invite them. First of all, a warm welcome, sir. Thanks a lot for joining us. It means a lot to us. Yeah, and so right away, my first question would be, what motivated you all to start this amazing foundation, and how actively, what are the ways in which you are contributing to make this state a better place?
First of all, I would like to thank Arshad and specifically Mansi and Techment Group for giving us the opportunity to present ourselves in front of our state and our people. So it's a very great opportunity to tell people about the work of Global Empathy Foundation that was started with the vision of a group of a small number of people and employees from Bhilai Steel Plant. So first, I would like to quote an incident regarding the contractual labor. So in the year 2015, दिन भी मुझे याद है, the date was 21st of June 2015. As we used to see a lot of contractual laborers जो generally construction sites में आते हैं, they are also a part of informal sector. तो इनके जो बच्चे होते हैं, their children, they don't have much to do, like they are not enrolled in proper education system. और वो बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट भी नहीं होते. As you can see, बहुत सारे reports हैं, there are a lot of dropouts in their case. तो ऐसे में we thought कि भाई क्यों हम इनके लिए कुछ अलग से क्यों नहीं कर सकते हैं. Like आपने सुना है, गांधी जी has also said कि education is the most powerful tool to change the society. तो हमने सोचा कि भाई let's work with them, let's work for them. तो हमने उन बच्चों को लेकर के we started to enroll them in government schools and उनको बुक्स हमने प्रोवाइड किया, उनको स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म्स हमने प्रोवाइड किया. तो ये काम करने के बाद वी गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस, लाइक हाँ यार, इनके लिए कुछ करने के बाद हम और भी चीजों पे काम कर सकते हैं. देन कहीं ना कहीं हमको ध्यान आया कि लाइक वी शुड आल्सो वर्क इन द फील्ड ऑफ malnourishment. यहाँ पे एक मुझे बहुत अच्छा स्टेटमेंट याद आ रहा है, अर्शद, आई वुड लाइक टू मेंशन, लाइक टू मेक अ हेल्दी नेशन we need to make our children healthy. अगर आपको एक हेल्दी देश चाहिए तो आपके बच्चे भी उतने ही हेल्दी होने चाहिए, बिकॉज वी आर द यंगेस्ट डेमोग्राफी इन द वर्ल्ड, और ये बच्चे ही कल के आपके यंग स्टार्स होंगे पूरी दुनिया के. तो malnourishment को काउंटर करने के लिए we initiated with taking the responsibility of Anganwadi centers. I think all of you must have heard about it, like गवर्नमेंट प्रोग्राम, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट मिलकर के आंगनवाड़ी सेंटर्स में दे प्रोवाइड फ्री एजुकेशन, उनको खाना प्रोवाइड किया जाता है. जो आसपास के जो प्रेग्नेंट लेडीज होती हैं, लैक्टेटिंग मदर्स होती हैं, उनके नरिशमेंट पे काम किया जाता है. जो बच्चे अंडरवेट होते हैं उनको कैसे नरिश किया जाए. तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास में एक एरिया है, द नेम इज कुम्हारी. वहां पे वी स्टेप्ड इन देयर, आंगनवाड़ी सेंटर को हमने गोद लिया and we organized a medical camp जहां पर हमने बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज करी. हमने बेस कलेक्ट किया कि कितने यहाँ पर प्रेग्नेंट लेडीज हैं, कितने बच्चे हैं, 0 to 6 months के बच्चे कितने हैं. मेडिकल कैंप के बाद हमने जो malnourishment का जो डिग्री था, लाइक आपने सुना होगा 3 डिग्रीज होती है malnourishment की, रेड, येलो एंड ग्रीन. So our target was within a year we have to take this degree from red to green. तो इस टारगेट के साथ हमने वहां पर काम करना चालू किया. लेडीज को हमने प्रोटीन पाउडर्स प्रोवाइड किया, मेडिसिन प्रोवाइड किया. बच्चों को जो चीजें दी जाती हैं, लाइक अर्ली स्टेजेस में जो नरिशमेंट के लिए जो चीजों की जरूरत होती है, वो हमने प्रोवाइड किया. एंड एट दैट टाइम वी वर वेरी मच फॉर्चुनेट कि आवर वर्क गॉट रिकॉग्नाइज्ड, एंड इन द ईयर 2017 वी गॉट प्रेस्टिजियस सीएम अवार्ड बाय आवर फॉर्मर चीफ मिनिस्टर श्री डॉक्टर रमन सिंह. और उसके बाद फिर धीरे धीरे वी आल्सो स्टार्टेड वर्किंग विद द स्पेशली एबल्ड, लाइक दे आर आल्सो द मोस्ट अंडरप्रिविलेज्ड सेक्शन ऑफ दिस सोसाइटी. उनके साथ भी हमने काम चालू किया। वी हैव इन आवर दुर्ग डिस्ट्रिक्ट वी हैव मोर देन 15 स्कूल्स जो जहां पर इस तरह के स्पेशल बच्चे जाते हैं। एंड यहाँ पर इन बच्चों के लिए हमारा टारगेट ये था कि भाई इनको एक प्लेटफॉर्म प्रोवाइड किया जाए। जैसे आप में से बहुत सारे लोगों को पता होगा भिलाई स्टील प्लांट अंडर देयर CSR एक्टिविटी, वो भी अराउंड 2014-15 तक इन बच्चों को एक प्लेटफॉर्म प्रोवाइड किया करते थे, जहां पर इनके लिए स्पोर्ट्स फेस्ट कंडक्ट किया जाता था, कल्चरल फेस्ट कंडक्ट किया जाता था। बट इनके प्रोग्राम रुकने के बाद वी थॉट कि हम क्यों नहीं कर सकते इस काम को। देन फ्रॉम 2016 हमने इनके लिए एक स्पोर्ट्स फेस्ट ऑर्गेनाइज किया और उसके बाद फिर एक सीरीज ही बनता गया। ईयरली 2017 onwards we used to organize 3 major programs for these special children, and they are drawing competition and cultural activity and sports fest। एंड इसमें भी मैं हमारे टीम को हमको बहुत ज्यादा फॉर्चुनेट मानूंगा। लाइक जैसे कि मैंने थोड़ी देर पहले बताया, गवर्नर मैडम, ऑनरेबल गवर्नर मैडम श्री अनसुईया यूके जी, फर्स्ट टाइम शी विजिटेड आवर सिटी इन द ईयर 2019 और वो हमारे प्रोग्राम के लिए थे। बहुत प्राउडली मैं हमारी टीम की तरफ से सबको ये इन्फॉर्म करना चाहूंगा। एंड कोइंसिडेंस ये था कि 2017 में आल्सो शी विजिटेड आवर साइट स्पोर्ट्स फेस्ट को उन्होंने विजिट किया when she was vice chairperson of National Commission for Shipwrights। तो इस तरीके से काफी सारा कुछ काम करते आ रहे हैं। और तीनों ही काम लाइक इसके अलावा एजुकेशन से जैसे हमने स्टार्ट किया था, आई टोल्ड यू, एजुकेशन में स्टिल वी यूज्ड टू रन महाशिक्षा अभियान। जैसे ही बच्चों के नए सेक्शंस चालू होते हैं, हम बच्चों को फ्री में बुक्स प्रोवाइड करते हैं, यूनिफॉर्म्स प्रोवाइड करते हैं, जो भी हमारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट के आसपास जो भी अंडर प्रिविलेज बच्चे होते हैं।
थैंक्स अ लॉट सर for sharing such a detailed view of what exactly you're doing, and many congratulations again for the prestigious award. Recognition is a tremendous booster and encourages us to achieve greater heights. Thanks a lot. So now, so in a sense, if I ask you about, you have taken, because of the preliminary stages, you have tried to one by one tackle a lot of issues relating to the welfare of the society. So now if I ask you, what would be the vision? What is your vision moving forward? What do you see would be the focus of GE Foundation, the Global Empathy Foundation, in the coming years? And also to what are the ways in which people who will get connected with you with this interview and other initiatives, what are the ways in which you seek their contribution as well?
Harshad, first of all, I would like to tell about the 3 areas where we want to work. Number 1, education. Number 2, malnourishment, eradication of malnourishment. The third, but not the least, working for the specially able children. Right? Whenever you visit these children, they are very special, and you will see that they have the potential to get recognized internationally. Right? So we have been constantly working on these 3 areas, and we also invite the people from other areas. Like many of our volunteers have been providing us with funds and their time also. I think time is the most important factor in today's scenario. One can contribute to this type of cause. So yeah, definitely these are the 3 areas where we need to work. And if you say about like how people can contribute to it, like I said, time and compassion, these are the 2 most important things, the way with which a person, an individual, a group can bring a type of change in our society.
Yeah, absolutely, Suresh. That was a wonderful point. Empathy and compassion, perhaps, are the foundation of a very rich human society.
One thing I would like to mention, Harshad, like there is a difference between sympathy and empathy. I would like to mention, like sympathy is something like people dekhte hain, ha yaar, bechara. And empathy is something when you step in and do for it proactively. That's why we named our organization Golden Empathy Foundation.
Yes, yeah, definitely. Thanks a lot for that. So since 15th August is about corner, a very significant day for us. So I would like to seek a message from you on that day, as well as to people at large, to people of Chhattisgarh. Uh, you have already, though you have already mentioned the point of empathy, still I would say, I would ask you to give a message to the youth, because they are the change agents. The way in which they should contribute in many ways, not they can contribute in their lives also. So a message to
Yeah,
them,
definitely.
yeah, how they can, their small efforts can bring about a change, and a message for the Independence Day.
Right. So 15th August, as you have heard, like our Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji said ki Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav. So they planned ki we have to plant a lot of trees, and recently we have worked with major central government departments and state government departments for this cause. Like we all of us have seen like the environmental degradation was one of the major reasons that caused harm in this pandemic situation, right? So we worked a lot with them. We planted a lot of trees in our area, and a message to youth would definitely like would say, as I mentioned earlier, like if you want to do something, the contribution in the terms of monetary terms is absolutely secondary. The most important donation I would say is time. If you want to volunteer, you should visit them. You should do something from them, yeah, something for them, and that will definitely do once, and you will feel the difference that people make in our life, right? So definitely, Harshad, the most important thing I would say to youth is please give your time, please give your compassion to these people of our society, because they are our own people.
Thanks a lot, Srish, for the message, and perhaps giving time also uh, helps us evolve as human beings as well. Once we get in touch, money is a very disconnected way of helping somebody. Giving time,
Exactly.
definitely,
Exactly.
we become a part of the process of helping, and it changes us as well. So thanks a lot. And I would also like to highlight to the people who are watching that not only GE Foundation has been uh, doing a lot of work on the aforementioned causes, but as Shesh rightly pointed out, that even measures like planting trees also not only bring awareness, but they also contribute a very valuable concrete change, because without a healthy environment, we cannot be healthy as well. So I think, Shesh, we're very proud of the work you people are doing. Thanks a lot,
Thank
and
you.
we are very, yeah, and we are very proud of having people like you do such valuable contribution and take the state forward. And a special thanks to coming and sharing your journey with us. We hope that even through these interviews,
Thank you.
more people get connected to the noble cause you have been engaged in. And thanks a lot, Pradeep sir. Thanks a lot, Shesh, for the time. It
Thank you.
was a lovely. It was so lovely to have you.